Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Shilpa. I am the center manager of a preschool and I am a child psychologist working in this field since last 14 years. Working with children since last 14 years. So, a lot of parents nowadays are calling me to tell me that their child has become really aggressive and stubborn and he's not listening or he started hitting everyone or started throwing a lot of tantrums and they're asking Shilpa, please tell us what to do about it. So my suggestion, I made a video so that this I knew that a lot of parents may be facing this problem and I wanted to help everyone or reach out to most parents for who are facing these problems. So first thing is that because of the pandemic situation, it is like we're all locked up inside the house or inside our rooms, which can be frustrating for us adults also. So we should understand the point of view of the children, understand their level, and do some fun activities with them. Also, in this age, like the age below 5 years, the energy level of the children is really high. So at no time of our in our lives the energy level is so high as much as this age. We psychologists call the children bundles of energy in this age. So please understand that they have a lot of energy which needs to be channelized properly. So make sure that you do some activity at least for 45 minutes to 1 hour in a day at home or outside where the child gets physically exhausted completely. So if you're at home, if you can't go out, play some good music, some rhymes, whatever the child likes or whatever is good for them, and let them dance or jump or do whatever on that music. They should enjoy themselves thoroughly, and they should exhaust themselves completely in those activities. If possible, if the lockdown is open in your area now, and if you can go out, please take them out to a nearby garden. Make it a mandatory thing for the children because it's really good and necessary for their development, and let them exert themselves completely when they go out. Let them run around and play as much as they want so that their energy levels get balanced and they will be calm and composed for the rest of the day, and they will be able to behave nicely for the rest of the day because their energies will be balanced by doing this. Also, one more important thing is that we all the adults around the children are role models for them. So please make sure that we don't show any aggression in front of them. If we raise our voice or if we get frustrated and lose our control or hit them, they will also become more aggressive. So please make sure that the children are observing us and they're learning from us. So please set a good example, and no matter what, don't lose your cool. Be cool, enjoy with them, do some good activities with them, play with them, ask them what they like and what they don't like. So that will help you to develop a good bond with your child, and they will be able to come back to you for anything that they want. So that's all for this video. Please let me know in the comment section what all parenting problem issues or challenges you're going through so that I can take those topics in my next video in upcoming videos. Also, I am going to post a lot of stories and fun activities for the children. So please subscribe my channel if you want the updates for the upcoming videos, which will be fun and which will be great for the development of the children. Take care. That's all for now. Thank you. See you soon.